morning to all my dear students. I am Jagannath Vijay for your computer science lecture. In today's class, we will discuss about what is protocol and some types of protocols. First of all, discuss the definition of protocol. Protocol is a set of rules or guideline which is applied for data communication. Yes, it's known as protocol. That means it is a rule, regulation or guideline which is used for data communication. At the time of data are transmitted from sender to receiver, those rule regulation or those guidelines are applied. That guideline or that rule regulation is known as protocol. It's a simple definition. Then discuss some types of protocol. That is some types are, that is one is TCP, second is UDP, transmission control protocol. UDP means user datagram protocol, and some are SMTP, simple mail transmission protocol. Then next is FTP, file transmission protocol, and POP, post office protocol, and so many protocols are available in data communication. Some protocols in today's class we will discuss. That is TCP and UDP, and what is the difference between TCP and UDP. Okay, let's start to discuss about TCP and UDP. Where the TCP are used, where the UDP are used, and mainly I think if just explain the difference between the TCP and UDP, automatically we get that both we understand. That is TCP and UDP. TCP means transmission control protocol. UDP means user datagram protocol. The full form of TCP, one point is that one, that is TCP. The full form of TCP is transmission control protocol. And next is the full form of UDP is user datagram protocol. The main point is it's a connection oriented protocol. It is a connection oriented protocol. It is a connection oriented protocol. The next is in UDP is a connectionless protocol. The connection oriented means what, and connectionless protocol means what. If you understand that point, connection oriented and connectionless, automatically I get that point. Connection oriented means where the physical path is there between sender and receiver, that situation is known as connection oriented. That means a sender is there, that is sender, and receiver is there. In this medium, physical path is there. That is, or we can say that it is a guided media, also known as the connection oriented. That means physical path is the sender and receiver. That physical path is means it is connection oriented. Connectionless means there is no physical path between sender and receiver. That means physical path is not available. It is also called unguided media. No fixed path is there from sender to receiver. That is connectionless protocol. Yes, the first one is connection oriented. Here the first one is connectionless protocol. Yes. Getting that point? Yes. Next we discuss about it's a the data packet are reached at receiver and the orderly manner, or we can say here the data packet are received reach at receiver end an orderly manner. orderly manner. But here the data packet may or may not, that means the data packet here, data packet are reach at the receiver end orderly manner. Orderly manner means what? Suppose a sender is there and the receiver is there. Here the sender sends a message to the receiver. The first message is hi, second message is good morning, third is how are you. First is hi, second is good morning, third is how are you. Sender send the three messages to the receiver. At the receiver end, if the message are reach at receiver end, first is hi, second is good morning, third is how are you, then that message is known as orderly manner. If the message reach, suppose first is good morning, then next is how are you, third is hi, then that message reach at the unorderly manner. That is the concept of orderly and unorderly. Here the TCP data packet are reached at the orderly manner, but here may or may not. Sometimes are reached at the orderly, sometimes may not reach at the unorderly manner, because there is no fixed path is there available in UDP, so that the data packet are routing their own route, so that that situation may be sometimes created to this situation to reach the orderly or unorderly. But here there is no problem, because a physical path is there. So that the data packet automatically reach at the receiver at the orderly end. Yes. The next point is next point is it is the sender provide guarantee to deliver the data. Here the sender 100% guarantee to deliver the data, because it is also the same point is a physical path is there, so that the sender, the messages are automatically reach at the receiver end, so that the sender always provide 100% guarantee. The messages are automatically reach to at the receiver end. But here no physical path is there, so that it may be may or may not reach at the receiver end. Sometimes our data packet may have lost some network problem or network issue. Here the sender does not provide guarantee to deliver the data, does not guarantee. Does not guarantee. This is all about the difference between TCP and UDP, and this is the main concept of protocol and the difference between TCP and UDP. Thank you, dear students, for watching this video. Thank you. Next class we will discuss some other protocols.